Thank you. Alright, so we come back with this occlusal rim into the patient's mouth. Place it over the sides. Now we see it's touching almost together all the time. Fix up. Sakra shwe bushwe. Okay. Fix up. Sakra shwe bushwe. Okay. Very nice. Almost completely equally. But now the thing is it still having enough height or not? Now I have reached 68. I need to reduce about 4 millimeters more. I told you that we have to reduce about 3 to 4 millimeters more. So I'm just going to put a mark because all my plane is touching. I want to put a mark 3 to 4 millimeters, just going across like that all over. This is just to help me reduce the rim. Okay, this is just to help me reduce the rim. Hot plates all over, must be hot. The plate should be hot all over, and you want to touch everywhere. Use everywhere. Reducing till my line. Once you've done that, you want to reduce the posteriors, remove the bats from the posteriors. Place it in the mouth, again holding the sides. Okay. Alright. I want to check my vertical dimension occlusion. So as you can see there, it has come to 60, almost 65, almost 65 there. See, I will show it to you much more clearer. Okay, look at that, 65, okay, and this is the measure we are looking at, this side, 65. So that means that I'm almost correct, and I want to just make sure that he can speak. So when you take vertical dimension, you want to take it at least in 3 ways. One is facial measurement, the other is function, the other is phonetics. Facial measurement is okay. You want to check if you can swallow. Can you swallow? مشكلة ولا في؟ اسمك legal? Okay. Okay. So functionally he's okay. Now the next thing to check is if he can speak well. So it's very important to be able to speak. So you can speak well. The upper seems to be slightly less retentive here, and it's moving. Give me the names of your children.
Sanad,
Sanad,
Muhammad,
now, can you zoom to this region? This region, okay. Tell me the names.
Muhammad, Sanad, Nasr, Ali.
When he is speaking, I want you to notice the premolar region. Put up the light here so you can see. Sanad.
Sanad, Muhammad, Ali, Nasr,
Who else? Come over, Sanad.
21.
See, when you see this area, there is always space in the premolar region. This is the freeway space you're talking about. You should have this freeway space so you can speak. Now you also want to check something with S sounds. Sanad. If the S sound is not clear, you want to reduce the thickness, the thickness of the upper anterior rim. But here it is clear. You also want to check an F sound. For your hat.
For head.
For your hat.
For head.
When he says for your hat, the wet line, this wet line is going to touch this tip. Okay? For your hat. You see that? So that's very important to assess the position of this rib, if it is too much in front or too much at the back. If this wet line is touching correctly, that means the occlusal rim is placed in the correct location. So we've checked with an F sound, S sound, and now with the V sound. See, again you see that red lip touching. Okay? And this is how we check for phonetics as well.